How to make money online without affiliate marketing. There are numerous ways how you can make money online without affiliate marketing. I'll be showing you a few ways. The first thing that you could look into is by creating a website. On your website, you can choose to either sell products. For example, you could create a website on Shopify and you could start to sell products on Shopify by doing drop shipping. Or you can create a website like this, for example, on which you'll be able to place ads and make money. Another option you can also look into is by using Pinterest. With Pinterest, I would recommend that you start doing some CPA marketing. And CPA marketing stands for cost per action. So as you can see with this Pinterest account right here, this person only has 267 followers and is getting over 140,000 monthly views, and all they're doing is posting pins offering iPhone giveaway. And if you should tap on any one of their pins, you will be directed to a page on which you'll be asked to tap on a website link, which you can see right here. And once you tap on this website link, you will be directed to the CPA offer, on which you'll be asked to enter your name and email address. And by entering your name and email address, the creator of this Pinterest account will be earning anywhere from $2 to $5. That's CPA marketing. For the person to simply enter email address or by doing a survey, you'll be getting paid. Another way how you can start making money online without affiliate marketing is by doing freelancing. You could sign up to a website, for example, like Fiverr, and from here, if you are good with writing or graphic designing or anything at all, you can start making money as a freelancer. And again, with Fiverr or with other freelancing platforms, you don't have to be the most talented in the world. You just have to be able or willing to work, and you'll be able to make money online. Hope you found this video helpful and motivating, and that you use at least one of these and start, or at least try to start, make some money online.